Let's say that you have this worksheet over here and you're okay with your coworkers typing in numbers into these 5 cells, but everything else is off limits. Well, if you want to prevent them from messing up anything else inside your workbook, well then you need to do this. First, select the range that you're okay with them, and then go to the Review tab, and then click on Allow Edit Ranges. Once you do that, click on New. Then you can title this range with the name you want. I'll go ahead and rename it Allow. And I could set a password if I want, and then click OK. Then you could click Apply. And after you do that, click X and now click anywhere else. And then go back to the Review tab and select Protect Sheet. Once you do that, go ahead and enter a password that you want. I'll type 0987. Click OK, and then retype the password 0987. Click OK again, and now anytime someone tries to edit any of the details, you'll get this error. They only have access to these 5 cells that you are okay with them editing. In this case, I can go ahead and type whatever I want, press Enter, and then that's perfectly fine.